Okay na? Trigonometry. In that trigonometry, I am taking one right angle triangle. That right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Remaining two angles are acute angles. Let us I am taking angle A is equal to theta. That theta is equal to something. You can measure that degrees of the triangle. See here. Here three sides are there. Then I am taking AB and BC and CA. Three sides are there. What are the names for these three sides? Means AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to. First of all, I am taking where you are taking the angle from angle A. From angle A. Angle A you are taking theta. Then what is the opposite side of the angle A? That is BC. Then this side name is opposite side. Okay now. In a right angle triangle, already you know that longest side is hypotenuse. Okay now. In a right angle triangle, the longest side is hypotenuse. In this triangle, these two are smallest sides. This is the longest side. That longest side name is you are taking as a hypotenuse. And where you are taking that angle opposite side, you are taking the BC. That BC is a opposite side. Then you have only one side. That side name is adjacent side. See now. In that right angle triangle, you are separated the three sides. That three sides names are here. A, that angle opposite side is you are taking opposite side, and in that triangle, longest side you are taking hypotenuse, and only one side is there. That remaining one side is adjacent side. Okay. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC, write this. In a triangle ABC is a right angle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A and angle C are less than of 90 means 90 minus theta means A and C are acute angles. Or less than 90 degrees, 90 minus theta, and A and C are acute angles. Trigonometry. Trigonometry means trigonometry is a Greek word. In that Greek word trigonometry, you are taking the two words, that is trigono and metron. Trigono means three angles, and metron means measurements or measure. Then completely you are taking trigonometry is a three angles measurement. Already you know the trigonometry, three angles measurements. Which one is a three measurements? No, three sides and three angles. That one and only, that is trigonometry. Correct. Triangles. Okay, three sides and three angles are which one you have? Only triangles. In that chapter, you are taking that out of six triangles, you are taking the only right angle triangle only. Further, you are learn in next classes. In that right angle triangle, already you know triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and remaining two angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay now? We have to find out the remaining two angles to find out the two based on this acute angles. Okay? And name of this triangle, name of the sides of the triangles are AB and BC and AC. Already you know. Name of sides in a triangle. Then again I am taking one right angle triangle. A, B, C. Here again I am taking one more angle, that is PQR. Let us see now this. If for example, already you know it is a perpendicular to the A, means that is BC is the base and A is the perpendicular to BC. Then already you know angle B is equal to 90 degrees here. Then angle A and angle C are ABC. In that triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and remaining two angles are in the ratio of 90. Then the two angles are less than 90 degrees. Then if I am taking one angle, that is a theta, I am taking from here theta. Then name for this triangles are, first of all, what to write now? Longest side AC, hypotenuse. This is the base, but this name has a adjacent or opposite side. That is depending on this theta value. Where you taking this angle? If you are taking the angle from here, from C, then theta opposite side name is AB. So this name is opposite side. Okay now? Theta opposite side is, you are taking the opposite side, and longest side is hypotenuse, and remaining only one side, that side name is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Now I am taking theta from here, then here I am taking only theta here. No, you are taking only for acute angles. Okay now, you are taking the theta from only acute angles, not for right angles. Right angle is you already you know right angle value, that is 90 degrees. Okay, no need to take the one more angle. It is a 90 degrees, you know. You have to find out the remaining two angles. That's the reason you are right angles measurements only. That's the reason I am taking theta from here, otherwise here. Okay, you are not taking the 90 degrees. Here too you are not taken. Why? Because already you know the value of that angle, that is 90 degrees. Remaining two angles only you don't know. That's the reason you are taking from up, otherwise here. Okay. This section already you are completed the all names. From here to I am taking. From this, how to name the triangle? First you are writing the longest side of the triangle, that is PR, and QR, and remaining last and final is PQ. Then it is PR is the longest side of the triangle. Longest side of the triangle. Then this name is hypotenuse. And QR is angle opposite side. This is the, see this angle is here. Then this angle opposite one is a opposite side. Then last one side only is there. That last one side name is adjacent side here. Okay now? You are thinking about sir. Here also you are writing same. Here also same. But small difference is there. Here I am taking theta from here. See this. This is the opposite side is AB here. AB is opposite side here. But it is also PQ. AB here is the height of the triangle. It is the height of the triangle here also. But here you are taking the opposite side. But in this PQ you are taking adjacent side. How you write the adjacent side and opposite side? That is based on your angle. That is theta. Theta opposite one only you are taking opposite one. See this angle opposite side only you are taking the opposite side of the triangle. And longest side is called hypotenuse. Last, now remaining only one side, that one side name is adjacent side of the triangle. Is it clear? By the ratios of the trigonometric functions means here we are taking the some six types of ratios. That are six types of ratios and the six in this chapter mainly some identities are there. That identities or formulas are very important. Listen it carefully. First, I am taking shiny in the full name of sin theta is equal to, it is sin theta. You are simply writing sin theta, but that complete name is sin and cosine theta. Otherwise, cos theta you are simply writing here. Then tan theta, and fourth one is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are six types of ratios are here. Six ratios are here. Then how to calculate the sin theta? How to calculate the cos theta? Like that, the six ratios are there. How to calculate the values of the given triangle? Each triangle angles are there. One is 90 degrees. What are the next two? Triangle. Next angle. Next two angles. What is the first angle size? Next second, third angle size. How to calculate means we are taking the particular ratios in this. Then we are taking the sets based on sets here. It is very important one box. For this box gives you all formulas. What is this means? Sin, cos, tan, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Formatted box now. It is very important box. Once you are keeping the mind this box, you are getting the all formulas in this chapter. Minimum 35 to 40 formulas are there, or identities are there. 35 to 40 formulas are there. Sir, how you keep in mind means there is very simple logic box. This is that box. This six ratios I am simplifying that only this box, and in this I am taking O, A, O, H, H, A. Simple enough. This box keep in your mind. You are getting the all formulas or all identities. Not only these six formulas, more formulas are there. Already I said no. 35 to 40 formulas are there. Okay. Then simply keep in your mind. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. O, A, O, H, H, A. Once again. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. O, A, O, H, H, A. Four lines, no? Like your Telugu poem. Telugu poem have four lines of poem. Here also four lines. Just two. One keep in one. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, O, A, O, H, H, A. Four lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, yes, what is O sir means? Opposite side. And what is A means? Adjacent side. And what is H Nana? Already you know, hypotenuse. Okay, six types of ratios. Now come to this all ratios, definition part. Definition and at the same time formula also. What is the definition of tan theta? Means this formula is what Nana? O by H. O by H. And what is the definition part of sin theta? I am writing here sin theta formula. Definition of sin theta is equal to the Ratio means by nana. Already you know. Okay, by you can read as a ratio also. What are the ratio? Opposite and hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse is called tan theta. Okay, Nana. Tan theta definition is O by H. Like that, cos theta is called what, Nana? A by H. Can you write cos theta for definition? What is cos theta now? The ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse is called cos theta. Like that, what is tan theta, Nana? O by A. Means, what is the definition of tan theta? The ratio of opposite side and adjacent sides are called tan theta. Okay, now okay, if these three are finished, sir. What about these three means? Just reciprocal thing. What means when down to read h by o. H by o means hypotenuse by opposite side. And sec theta is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. And what is cos theta? A by O. These are the definitions. No? Then you complete the all definitions here. You only complete. I am not writing here. You only write all things. Okay. Again, I am writing. Just I am drawing one right angle triangle also for your clarity purpose. A B C. In that A B C, I am taking the angle here. Angle means I am taking theta here. Based on this triangle, I am writing the sides of the triangles also here. You will draw right side of these ratios. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ డ్రా చేశారన్నా ఈ రేషియోస్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో డ్రా చేసి ఇక్కడ రాశారు. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్? BC. వాట్ ఈజ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్? Hypotenuse means longest side in the triangle AC. Like that, we finish that all things. Cos theta A by H. What is A? It is opposite means it is the adjacent. That is AB by AC. Then tan theta is equal to opposite is what? Opposite one is BC. And adjacent is what? AB. Like that to finish all things now. Cosec theta is the H by O means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse AC, opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. Adjacent AB and opposite BC. Okay, now based on taking some triangle, that triangle to I am writing all sides of the ratios. And you will complete this all definition formula now. I have completed this tan theta. Then you complete that all 6 ratios: cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Is it clear? That right angle triangle ABC, right angle letter B, and here given two sides AC and BC. Two sides are given. In the two sides, to based on these two sides, to how to find out the sin C, cos C, and tan C. Then first I am writing sin C. Sin C. What is the formula? O by H. See the box. O by H means opposite by hypotenuse. But now observe the figure. Right angle triangle ఒక్కసారి ఇమేజ్ చేసుకోండి. Sin C, where is C? It is the C, means it is the angle. In that question they mentioned clearly, sin here means you are taking from angle here. Here too you are taking. But here sin C, you observe from here. Sin C means this opposite side is AB and hypotenuse what Nana? AC. But AB by AC, then here AB value is not there. Then how you find? In ninth class already you find out the in right angle triangle in number line. Then find out the AB value. How means hypotenuse square is equal to AC square is equal to remaining sum of the remaining two sides BC square plus AB square. Then substitute the values. What is AC? 13 square and BC square is equal to 5 square and AB square is not there. Then 13 square is equal to 169 plus 25 plus AB square. Then AB square is equal to what now? Send it into 169 minus 25. AB square is equal to, is it 144? Square is there. Then square root of 144. Find out the square root of 144. Is it 12? Then this side is equal to 12 centimeters. Then substitute the values. AB is equal to what now? AB is equal to 12 by AC is equal to 30. Sin C is completed. Next to cos C. What is cos C? Cos C formula A by H. Adjacent is this one. This is opposite. It is hypotenuse. Means it is adjacent. Pi by hypotenuse is 13. Then tan C. Tan C is what formula? O by A. What is opposite? 12 by adjacent pi. Tan C, cos C and tan C. Is it clear? You are asking sin x, cos z and tan x. First find out that this third way of one. Xz is given, yz also given, xy is not given. Then by using Pythagoras, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to longest side square is equal to sum of remaining two sides xy square plus yz square. Then substitute the all values. X, it is a formula, no? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, longest side is equal to sum of remaining two sides. Xz is equal to 17 square, xy square not there, so leave it, and yz is equal to 15 square. 17 into 17. How much no? 17 into 17. 7 7 are 49. Into 7 11 17 9 8 2 29 is equal to xy square is not there. 15 15 ja 225. Then transfer here. Xy square is equal to transfer here 289 minus 225. Do the subtraction now. 9 minus 5 4. 8 minus 2 6 64. Then xy is equal to square root of 64. Square root of 64 already you know 8 centimeters. Then this value is 8 centimeters. Okay, this value is 8 centimeters. Then take the all values now. Sin x formula O by H. Which angle to opposite? X2. Where is x? This is x. X2 opposite is 15. Adjacent longest side is 17. Then cos z. Cos z formula A by H. Z adjacent. Z की adjacent కావాలి. Z की adjacent. Z opposite one this one. Adjacent is this one. So adjacent 15 by hypotenuse already there same one 17. Third one tan x. Tan x formula O by A. X opposite 15 and x adjacent is a tan x cos z tan x. sin x, cos z, tan x. Is it clear?